Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Health and Fitness Tips, and I'm your coach Deepali. So today we will do no equipment back workout. If you have back bulges, lower back fat, then follow this workout with me. We won't be using any kind of equipment in this workout. And again, it is a 3 days challenge. Let's get started. So we'll start with crossovers. Good job. Let's do 10 left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Roll of arm backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. We are all warmed up. Let's start with our no equipment back workout. Hold your thumb like this and we will squeeze the back. 1, 2, and holding it for 1 second. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Next exercise, we will bend down, arm to your side like this. Up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. While doing back exercise, holding is very important. So make sure you are holding it correct. Next, hold your arm like this and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I am holding. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Relaxing arms. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Crossovers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Feet forward. Holding thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Crossovers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Next. Up, crunch back. Up, crunch back. Like this. Okay, we will do 15 repetitions. 1, 2. Again we are holding. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Crossovers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, lower back. Touch down. Fly up to your side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Crossovers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, bend down and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Crossovers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side to side stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. So this was all in this video. Follow this video with me for 3 days to reduce your back fat with me at home.